Here I have Motorola Moto G54 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to enter boot mode on this device. So first let's turn device off, and after it turns off completely, hold down combination power key plus volume up at the same time like this, and after that you will enter this so-called boot mode. In the boot mode you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have such options as start, restart bootloader, recovery mode, power off, barcodes, bootloader locks, and yeah. So if you want to quit boot mode, just select an option start and device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.